BJP na luching ba chungsin aba government asi minority oiraba amadi illegal government oibana maroiba policy decision lawba ya hanpham thokte haina nauna semkhiba Congress NPP AITC amasung Independent ki Secular Progressive Front SPF ki luching ba hanagi Chief Minister O Ibobi na phongdokhre POA-CHE da leiba SPF ki kemda ngarang paumi singa unabada O Ibobi na hai hojik leiba chungsin naba government asigi partner oramba NPP na government sogat pato khibaga government asi minority tare maram asina illegal oiba minority taraba government asina leiba ki oiba maru oiba policy decision lawba ya hanpham thokte haina O Ibobi na phongdokhi Democracy ki chatnariba norms ki makhada governor na khudakta special session ama kauraga majority proof tawhangada amadi COVID-19 gi yenglaga social distancing ngangna session chathaba yahangadabani haina palladuna hojik sit humpu leiriba sit tungi hengalakadaba misingi yenglaga sit chamagi capacity ta sakhrabani haiba wafam oibobina phongdoki Congress tagi BJP da shogat pa MLA teret ki hearing June 22 da pangthok nawa speaker ge tribunal na matam lep khraba matungda masa khangandana pre-poll hearing June 19 da tawraga judgment reserve tawkhibani amadi high court na June 18 phawbudi speaker ge tribunal na reserve tawkhiba judgment adu haidok pa yaroi haina athingba thamkhibani haiba O Ibobi na thamki Court ki order violent tawraga nampu hapuda chap manaba case ta MLA taret ki manungda MLA ahumna Congress oire MLA amana investigation pending da leiri aduga MLA ahumna disqualified tawre hairakpasi ikaibo poi hainasu O Ibobi na phongdoki Paumi singna hangbawa hangi paukhum piraduna O Ibobi na hai nahan pangthokiba Rajya Sabha ki election adu cross vote thadakhiba Congress MLA singi mathakta action lawnaba center da leiriba party gi lusingba singda khangankhre Opposition ki maikai dagi speaker ki mathakta no confidence motion thangatkhiba adu reject tawre haiba tare hairaduna O Ibobi na hai motion thangatpa khudingi reject tawgani hairabadi kayam kuina reject tawgani admit tawraga khanasi haiba yadragadi ain gi mateng lawnaba court ta chatpa tabadi hainasu mahanga phongdoki NPP ki senior MLA oiriba hanagi deputy chief minister Y Kumar na hai minority taraba government asina ain chana daba mongda tawningba tawbuda yahanpham thokte Hojik leriba government asi majority leiribara leitabara haibasi house ta proof tawhangadabani hainasu mahakna phongdoki Rajya Sabha ki election da mai pakhraba BJP ki candidate Lesemba Sana Jauba Manipur miyam gi represent tawraga chatkadoribani adubu pangthokhiba election adu free and fair election oikhibara hainasu Y Kumar na hangki aduga atopa pawamana boycott na Chinese export singda US dollar billion 17 gi sapu pigani Ladakh ta thokhiba khuthongna bagi thodok hen wa thok chauthorokba oina leibak sinba thungna China na saba pochai sing boycott tawna maram oiduna India da pusilakadaba import singda chaitheng piragani sahi amagi oina pusilakliba apunba potlam singdi US dollar billion 74 domni lalonba singna su center da e-commerce farm singda Dragonland dagi potlam sing yonbada natraga pusilakpada athingba thamnawa taksinkhre China dagi thajilakpa apunba potlam singi manungda retail oina lalonba singna US dollar billion 17 romgi potlam sing yoli hairiba potlam sing adugi manungda sanapot yumda sinaba potlam sing mobile electric amadi electronic ki potlam amadi cosmetic na singbasu yauri China dagi pusilakpa potlam sing asigi mahutta India da saba pothok singna mahut sinba yai haina National Trading Body na phongdoki Federation of All India Beafar Mandalna Makhogi member singda China dagi pusilakpa potlam singi stock clear tawnaba amadi nauna order tawdanaba khanganki madudana tana loop aduna government ta China na saba potlam sing yonba e-commerce company singda athingba thamnaba haikhre haina association ki general secretary BK Bansal na phongdorli Nakalamaromda Confederation of West Bengal Trader Association ki President Sunin Poda na haikibada makhogi member singna yaribu makhai China ki potlam sing lalolitik tawbalep tuna lakli hana panki Atopa National Traders Body Confederation of All India Traders nasu China ki potlam sing boycott tawnabagi damak makhogi iho kankhatnaba warem nakre makhoina chathariba iho adu Bharatiya Saman Hamara Abhiyan haiba campaign gi makhadani Makhoina anauba category chambri gi yankhai gi list ama phongkhre madugi manungda China na saba potlam lising ahumlom hena yauri CAIT na masak nairaba mioi singda aphongbo cherol iduna China na saba potlam sing sina ba lepnaba paujen khre hairi Arobada Paobilai news dida gi video bi embiri bu khuding makpu thagatsiri